Hey guys, Rick Cassetti here at JTech in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to be taking you through some of the safety precautions and procedures that we use here in our fab shop. First things first, you always want to keep your safety glasses on, no matter if you're wearing a helmet or not. You want to just have double protection. You're going to need some welding gloves, maybe some welding sleeves if you're wearing a short sleeve shirt, and then we can get into torching and we can get into welding as long as we understand what we're doing. So hang out with me and I'm going to show you what to do. Alright? Alright, so today we're going to be cutting using the bandsaw. Basically what this is a saw blade that stays lubricated. That way you can cut through pieces of bar stock, other things, leaf springs, things like that. So what we're going to be cutting through today is a leaf spring. What you would do is you get your measurement that you need, and this is a scrap leaf spring. So we can cut it as bar stock and use it for different things. You're going to look at where this line is, because that is the channel which the bandsaw is going to fall down into as it cuts. So that's really where your cut is going to happen. Now when you get the piece of metal set in here, you got a clamp right here that you're going to rotate in, and you're going to lock your piece down. You want to check it real fast, make sure you're good and clamped. Alright. Now make sure you got it plugged in. You're going to go ahead and pull this down a little bit. Just so you can see where your cut's going to hit. Okay? We're right there. So what we need to do is lift it back up. We're going to turn it on. Make sure you keep your hands clear and you're wearing safety glasses. Now with the bandsaw on, we're going to go ahead and we're going to drop it slowly until we make contact. Now you're hearing it start to cut. So step back and let the bandsaw do its work. Now it's lubricating through this line right here, coming down and dripping onto the saw blade. That's why we got all these shavings down here, because it gets caught up in the lubrication. As you can see, it's just about on its way 100% through. And there we go. Now, before you do anything else, turn it off. We're going to lift it back up, and it's safe and out of the way. We can unclamp our bar stock or our leaf spring, whatever we were working with. Pull it out. And then down here is our cut piece. And because the bandsaw lubricates, we get a nice, beautiful cut. And we can actually pick it up without the use of gloves. It does not generate a whole lot of heat. So now you can use this, you can tap some holes in it, thread them, you can make a weld, clean edges here and here. Using a grinder, just clean it all off and you can run it as a T-joint. A lot of things you can do with bar stock right here. But that's how we use a bandsaw. And thank you for watching.